Alright guys, welcome to the class on Venn diagram. So we are still solving more questions on Venn diagram for two sets and problem. Okay, now so let's look at this question. We're given the first question on the induction of new students in a certain university. Okay, we have 800 students turned up at the opening ceremony and 600 students turned up at the novelty march, and there is a total of 1,234 students together in the school. How many students enter both functions? So the first one we have is 800 students turned up for the opening ceremony. Let's say the C, opening what? Ceremony. Then we have 600 students turned up for the novelty march. Let's use N for the novelty march. And then there is a total of 1,234 students. So that means our C union N will equal to 1,234 students. So this is the number of this, and this is the number of this. This is also the number of what? The novelty march. People that turned up for the novelty march. Now we are asked to find how many students entered both functions. So what we are trying to look at is the intercept, okay, between those that attended the opening ceremony and those that attended the novelty march. Okay, so we use this formula. This is the general formula we have been using to solve the two-set Venn problem. Okay, now this would be the n, the number of the people that attended the opening ceremony union that for the novelty march will be equal to n, number of that for ceremony and number of that for the march or the novelty march, minus the intercept, number of C intercept N. Okay, so this will be, we are given that the total number is 1,234. Okay, then we have number of C is 800 plus number of N is 600. Okay, minus the number of C of N of C intercept N. So we don't know that. Let's call that X. Okay, so we are looking for X, right? Good. So this will be 1,234 is equal to, then if we add up these two, 800 plus 600, we are going to have 1,400. Okay, minus X. So we try to make X the subject formula, move minus S over to the side, it becomes positive X. Then remember we have 1,400 here, then move this one over to the side, it gives us 1,000 minus 1,234. So that our X will be, if you point your calculator, 1,400 minus 1,234 will give us 166. So we have 166 students that attended both the opening ceremony and the novelty march. So we have this as intercept. Okay, now let's look at the next question here. Let's solve the next question. Now for the next question, we have that in a school inter-house competition, 80% of the students turned up at the athletic competition, then 60% turned up at the football match. What percentage of students attended both functions? So of course it's just the same like this. We are also looking at the intercept. We have the 80% attended the inter-house with the Atlantic competition. We have A is 80%. Then we have 60% attended the football match. let's use F for the football match. Okay, now we are asked to find the intercept, that is people that attended both the Atlantic competition and that of the football match. So this is given in percentage. Okay, that means the overall will be what? 100%. So that means A union F will be equal to what? 100%. Okay, that is in percentage. So the overall should be what? 100%. Although they did not give us in the question. But since we are expressing Atlantic competition and the football match in percentage, that means the overall should be what? 100%. Okay, that's attended the whole stuff. Okay, now we are going to have that A union F, the number of A union F should be equal to number of A plus number of F minus number of A intercept what? F. So the number of A union F is 100%, right? The number of A is 80% plus the number of F is what? Is 60% minus what? X. Okay. Now, if we add up these two, we are going to have 80 plus 60 is 140, right? 140%. 80% plus 60% is 140% minus what? Our X. And here we still have our 100%. Now, we are looking for X here, so we move X over to this side. It becomes positive X. We have 140% minus 100%. Okay, so 140 minus 100% will give us 40%. So this becomes our what? Our X, which is the intercept, that is the people that attended both the Atlantic and the football match, is equal to what? 40%. Alright, so we are going to stop here for today's class. In our next class on mathematics, we are going to be looking at 3 sets problem. Okay, so what we have done so far is on 2 sets problem. So in our next class we look at 3 set problem. So if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, I would love you to do that, and also click the notification bell to get updates of series of videos that will be coming from the Michsurd Academy. Alright, thank you.